Virtual machines or containers. It's one of the most common questions in modern infrastructure. Today, we're breaking down the differences to help you choose the right technology. Let's dive in. Virtual machines emulate complete physical computers. Each VM runs its own full operating system on top of a hypervisor. This means strong isolation, but significant overhead. You're running multiple complete operating systems on one machine. Containers take a different approach. They package applications with their dependencies but share the host operating system kernel. This makes them incredibly lightweight, starting in seconds instead of minutes, with minimal resource overhead. Here's the key difference. Virtual machines stack multiple guest operating systems on a hypervisor. Containers share a single host OS, running isolated processes through a container engine. Same physical hardware, completely different architectures. Let's compare. VMs are measured in gigabytes and take minutes to start. VMs provide hardware-level isolation, but with heavy resource usage. Containers are megabytes and start in seconds. Containers offer process-level isolation with near-native performance. Performance matters. Virtual machines have higher overhead. Each VM includes a full OS. Containers are incredibly efficient. You can run hundreds on a single host. For application deployment, containers can be 10 to 100 times more efficient than VMs. When do you use each? Choose VMs for legacy applications, when you need multiple operating systems, or when maximum isolation is critical. Choose containers for microservices, CI/CD pipelines, and when you need rapid, consistent deployments. Every technology has trade-offs. VMs offer complete isolation and can run any OS, but they're large and resource-intensive. Containers are lightweight and portable, perfect for microservices, but provide less isolation and must share the host kernel. For VM, you've got VMware, Hyper-V, and VirtualBox. For containers, Docker dominates with Kubernetes handling orchestration. Here's the secret. Most organizations use both technologies together for different purposes. The best strategy: use both. Modern cloud platforms run containers inside VMs, combining infrastructure isolation with application efficiency. VMs provide security boundaries and multi-tenancy. Containers provide portability and resource efficiency. So, which should you choose? Use VMs when you need different operating systems or maximum isolation. Use containers for microservices and fast deployment, but remember, the future is hybrid. Most infrastructures use both.